Hello traders, welcome back to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. So basically guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use this really super cool app called TradingView. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to log in or sign up and how to set your watch list and etc. So before we even get into this video, please guys do me a favor by hitting the like button, turning on the notification bell and subscribing. So the first thing you want to do, that when you install or download the TradingView app, you'll find that this is what you'd see. And then what you want to do after that is that you want to press at the bottom corner here, and then you would see this. So you want to click here where it says sign in. So when you click where it says sign in, it will ask you sign in with Google or Facebook, X, in Y or Apple. So you want to click on email. So for me, I already have an account, so it says sign in. If you do not have an account, you read down here, it says don't have an account, so you need to sign up. So I already have an account, so what I'll do is that I'll put in my email and my password, and then I'll press sign in. You have signed up, or you have logged in, you'll see that okay, you have pairs on watch. So on watch means on watch list. So right now let me delete my watch list. So okay, let me clear both my watch list and just restart. Okay, so right now that I've cleared my watch list, you would see that okay, cool, right now there are no pairs on or symbols in my watch list. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to come here where it says plus, on the plus arrow, and then you can search okay, let's say GBP USD. So when you say GBP USD and this appears, there is here in the corner there is capital, there is FXCM, and there is O under. So you wanna use O under, okay? I think I prefer O under, but FXCM as well works, but I prefer mostly O under, but they all move the same. And then what you wanna either click on it, and then this would appear, and then you wanna click on this button. On this button, and then you see the full chart, or you want to swipe left and then click on this blue button, and then same thing again, you'd see your chart again. And then after that you can come here on explore markets, and then you would like read stories about other traders, what they think about this coming week and stuff like that. And then here you can comment on ideas and then what other people have shared. Like this person shared, let's get back to the basics, and then they shared what they think about these pairs, okay? And then here on menu you see that your account is here, and subscription, refer a friend, news, and then you can also add your brokers and stuff like that. And then here, and then press on this pen, sorry guys, press on this pen, and then you would now see that okay, here we have our trend line, ray line, all our drawings will be here. And then here we have our Fibonacci tools and stuff. So you choose the main favorites, the one that you use. Let's say I love using the trend based Fibonacci, so I'll press and hold on it and press on the star on the favorite, and then it will appear here. You can see this. So here is where it will be, and then there we have our trend based Fibonacci, and then we can just access it quickly, press, and then we can use it. So I don't actually use this, so just trying to make an example for you guys, so you can use this as an example for everything, like everything that you really need. So guys, I hope you guys picked up something on how to use TradingView. If you did not, you can comment below and I can remake this video. So our next video is going to be on trend lines and what are trend lines and how to use them, which are these. So this is a trend line, so I'm going to be teaching in the next video what it is and how to use it. Yes, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.